Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Binance to Phantom wallet. Before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So firstly, make sure that your Binance app is updated and also is verified so you'll be able to carry out transaction. So the first step for you to take is for you to go over to wallet. You can see it at the down corner by your right. Let me go over to it and go over to spot. You can look at it over here. Let me go over to it, and what you have to do is for you to go over to withdraw. Let me go over to withdraw, and over here you're going to search for Solana. Let me go over to search it, Solana, and you can see it over here. And what you have to do is for you to go over to send via crypto network. That is where you have to go, send via crypto network. Let me go over to it, and here is for you to copy your address. So let's go over to Phantom. So we're able to copy the Solana wallet address. Let's go over to Phantom, and this is Phantom. And what you have to do here is for you to go over to copy it. So you have to look for Solana, and this is it, and you have to go over to receive. Let me go over to receive, and what you have to do here is for you to go over to type in copy, and it said copied. So let's go over to Binance and let's go over to paste it at the address here, and make sure at the select network what is showing here is correct, and what is showing here is Solana. So you have to enter the amount of Solana you wish to send. Let me just put 100, and when you are done with that, you can go over to withdraw, and you'll be able to transfer your Solana for Binance to Phantom wallet in a very simple way. And guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.